Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Avner, and today we're going to do one question about the dictionary. So, Chris recently got to know about his marks, which he scored in various subjects. Now he wants to store his marks in the form of a dictionary. So, we'll write a Python program to help Chris and his friends to store the marks inside the dictionary. Print the dictionary with the total marks of the students. So we have to make an empty dictionary. So students, so we can do here students data. Okay, so students data, and then we make that empty a dictionary, and then what we do is because it said we want to know how many students are there. So we do a number of students. So students equals to in bracket input quotation marks enter your number of students, and then two brackets to close that. Now we use it for an I in range rule. So for I in range. So what we're going to do is the number of students. So what we do here is we can copy that. So Control C, Control V. What we're going to do, because we don't know their names yet. So name equals to input bracket, and then do that. Enter your name. Quotation marks in our close bracket. And what we said is we want to print what? So we want to print the subjects too. So don't forget that we also want to print the subjects. So Control C, Control V, input bracket, and that enter your I already have that subject. And now our marks. So I mean mark. Okay, mark equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your mark. Oh, yeah, so enter your mark. Okay. Now what I want to do, because now what I want to do is I want to now print the subject. So what I want to do is now print the subject and the marks. So I want to print the subject and the marks. So how do I do that? For dictionary, we don't do that. So there's something called key and value. So keys and values, usually plural. So the key means, let me give you one example of a dictionary. So let's say our friends, we use curly brackets because look, on your keyboard you only have three types of brackets, which are what? Parenthesis, square bracket, and curly bracket. So for dictionaries, it's also curly brackets too. And for the rest, there are other brackets. So for dictionary, we use curly brackets. So what we do, list of friends. So friends, curly brackets. So quotation marks, name one. Outside of the quotation marks, we put colon. Let's say we want to do Afner. So quotation marks Afner, print the dictionary. What it's going to write is name one, Afner. So tell me in the comments, which one do you think is easy? List, tuple, sets, or dictionary? And which one is the hardest one? Okay? So what we're going to do here is this. So students' data. So our dictionary. So here's the formula. Our dictionary square bracket. Our new key equals to new value. So square bracket. Our new key is subject. Don't get confused because we haven't read anything on subject's name, nothing on subject's name and mark. Nothing. So that's why I'm saying it's the new value. I know how hard dictionary is. It's really hard. Dictionary? Oh, don't think it's so easy. It's actually hard when you actually go through it. I'm telling you. Let's say when you take Python classes, I'm telling you, it's going to be so hard. Dictionaries. And it's one of the most important data structure ever. Ever. Oh, what is this? Yeah. And equals to marks. So, okay. So that's how we do that. So that's how we add something in a dictionary. Now here's the thing. I want to print the subjects and the marks. And listen to me carefully because dictionaries are so important. So important. When you're trying to do something with a dictionary, you always have to need your key or value. So you can't use any functions like append, extend, insert, all of those functions. You can't even use them at all. You can't use add. That's what we only can use in set. Okay? So what we're gonna do is print, first of all, I did, yes. Wait, is it subject? I think I did that. So student data, can just write there S. You know what I mean, right? Students data, what is, okay, now what we're going to do is print. So what we're going to do is students. So yeah, because I wrote that. Okay, students data dot because keys and values are a function. But we can only use that function for dictionary, nothing else. So keys, we want to print like the keys, like we want to print subject because subject is the key, as you can see, and marks are the values. So keys. So we write keys because it's plural. Another person parenthesis. I don't know. I just say it the wrong way for some reasons, but my English of pronunciation is really not that good. So values, okay. Now it's going to print the subjects and the marks. And now here's where it gets interesting because I never taught you this, but my teacher has. Okay, never. Okay, so we listen to the question carefully. Read on the last hashtag, this one. Print the dictionary with the total marks of the students. Total marks. So we add all the marks. What do we do? Because I know I never taught you this before. What we do is let's make a variable total marks, okay? Marks equals to, okay? Okay, so some bracket marks. But we're not doing marks. Okay, tell me, are you going to do marks? No, we're going to do this. Because if it's only going to write the last vowel of the mark, think it that way. So we write this thing. And don't forget this parenthesis, because it's a function. And now, print. Okay, let's be professional. Like, let's not store variables like comma there. Okay, sorry, comma. No, let's use string formatting. So you guys can remember. So like, let's say we are further away from this thing. You guys can still remember, so I'm revising it for you. So the total marks are, and then we use curly brackets, okay, to store the variable total marks underscore. All right, we're done. We're done. That's all we had to do. So now let's just on it. Where is the thing? Yeah, right there. Okay, enter our number of students too. Hafner. Subject is math. What's our mark? 100. I don't actually get 100. So, and right? Yeah. So our subject is, okay, English. English. Oh, where did I? Oh, that's not fine. So let's see. Enver gets 98. And see? So look what it's doing. It's printing our keys, math, English, which is good. All fine. All fine. It's printing our values 198. Good. That's all fine. And then the total marks is 198. So 198. So it's just adding them. Okay? But here it's saying the total marks are 100. That's what it's saying. Okay? So thank you everyone for listening to how you do this. I know this topic is way hard. It's so hard. I think you would have to revise it if we're like, let's say, way far from this. I think you would guys still have to revise this because this is the hardest thing. Dictionaries are the hardest thing in data structure because there's 4 types of data structure and this is the last one. So thank you everyone. I hope you like it and I wonder about what we're going to learn after dictionaries, and so bye.